So now I'm going to be teaching the phonics lesson, which would be for Wednesday, PL114 antonyms. I'm going to go over the worksheet, then do the lesson, and then I'll read the worksheet. So this is what the phonics for Wednesday looks like. It says PL114 antonyms, clownfish. Everyone has the same worksheet, and it says at the top, write 2 words from each given contraction. So we have some things, so you write the 2 words that are inside this contraction. It looks like I might have given you a little bit of a hint for a couple of these. Who were, so you write the 2 words that are inside that contraction. Then down here, this is a review from the last lesson, so it says circle full of or without. So you see the word joyful. So is joyful, does that mean full of or without? So you circle either full of or without, and you do the same thing for the rest of these words. On the back, it says write the antonym for each word. So we have these words here. Next to them, you write the antonym. So today I'm going to be talking about antonyms. Antonyms sounds a lot like the word synonyms, right? Well, antonym means the opposite. So tall, the opposite of tall, would be short. Warm, the antonym for warm or the opposite of warm would be cold. In, the antonym is out. So the opposite of in is out. Okay, so I am going to go over the first 3 of our worksheet on the back that looks like that. So I have this word and a line next to it. So the word is long. So think of the opposite for long. What is the opposite of long? Short would be a good choice. So short is the antonym of long. Wet. What is the opposite of wet? If you said dry, you're correct. Okay. Loud. What is the antonym for loud? If you're thinking quiet, that would be good. If you were thinking silent, that would also be all right. Silent is S-I-L-E-N-T. Either one would be fine. So that is antonym. An antonym means the opposite of a word. So now, if you need me to read the rest of the worksheet, that's what I'm going to do now. If you understand how to do the rest of the worksheet on your own, you can go ahead and turn off the video. Otherwise, I will read the rest of the worksheet. So at the front, it says write 2 words from each given contractions. So somethings, so you write 2 words inside of somethings. Thenner, they'll, whoer, they've, where. Down here, circle either full of or without. Joyful, circle either full of or without. Below, powerless, circle either full of or without. Fearless, worthless, wonderful, useful, spotless, thankful. On the back. So you write the antonym or opposite for each word. So we did the first 3 together. We did long, wet, and loud together. So now I'm going to read the rest of them. And for this, just do your best on spelling. Make sure it's at least close. I don't expect it to be spelled like 100%, but it's got to be close. It has to make sense. Okay? So far. It's the antonym for far. Short. closed, closed, old, old, over, over, fast, fast, asleep, asleep. All right, have a great day.